Want to speed up your favorite social apps? Tired of lagging while scrolling? Lagging issues on smartphones with varying memory capacities? Frustrated with slow performance? Meet Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Optimize your device for smoother performance. Follow these tips to enhance your app experience. How it works. Freeing up RAM to improve device performance. Removing unnecessary files to free up storage space. Managing background data usage to optimize data consumption. With these tips, enjoy faster social media browsing. Optimize your RAM for better speed. Enjoy smoother scrolling and loading times. Stay connected without lag interruptions. Access your favorite content quickly. Receive alerts to keep your device optimized. Enjoy a unique user experience. Boost your app's performance effortlessly. Access exclusive features and updates. Identify apps that consume resources. Keep your phone running smoothly. Enjoy a clutter-free device. Get the most out of your social apps. Sounds great. Optimize now. Follow these tips and enhance your experience. Get started.